राम राम सर्वेभ्यः हृत्पूर्वक नमस्काराः स्वागतम् वेलकम टू क्लास 5 of Saundarya Lahari Parayana-abhyasah. A very happy Children's Day to all the children here, and also to each one of us. There is a child in everyone, so let us always kindle that spirit of learning, that spirit of inquiry, that inquisitiveness, that enthusiasm, and that eagerness to learn more and more like a child has. So with that, let us begin today's class. So as usual, we'll have a quick recap of the verses we learned in the previous class. Then we will learn the verses for today. We have our panelists. So welcome to them. They are going to help us with the anucharanam or repetition. For now, we have Prithvi, Shivani, and Vihan. So Swagatam once again. Let us begin as usual with Guru Vandanam. Gurureva gatir gurumeva bhaje Gurunaiva sahasmi namo gurave Na gurov paramam shishurasmi guroho Matirasti gurau mama pahi guro Shruti smriti purananamayam karunalayam Namami bhagavat pada shankaram loka shankaram Saundaryalahari kartre sarvamangaladayine Shankaracharya varyaya yatirajayate namaha. I'll chant the first verse and then move to a recap of the verses which we have learned in the previous class. Shiva Shaktya Yukto Yadi Bhavati Shakta Prabhavitum Nache Devam Devo Na Khalu Kushala Spanditumapi Atastvamadhyam Harihara Virinchadi Bhirapi Pranantum Stotum Va Kathamakrita Punya Prabhavati. So we learned from the 6th verse onwards in the previous class. Dhanu Paushpam Maurvi Madhukaramayi Panchavishikhaha Vasantas Samanto Malayamarudayo Dhanarathah Tathapyekas sarvam himagiri sute kamapi kripam apangate labdhva jagadidamanango vijayate Kvanat kanchi dama karikalabhakumbhastananata Parikshina madhye parinata sharat chandravadana Dhanurbanan pasham srinimapi dadhana karatalaihi Purastadastam naha puramathituraho purushika Sudha Sindhor Madhye Suravitapi Vati Parivrite Manidvipe Nipo Pavanavati Chintamani Grahe Shivakare Manche Paramashiva Paryanka Nilayam Bhajanti Tvam Dhanyaha कतिचन चिदानन्दलहरीम्. Okay, we will begin learning the 9th verse. Prithvi, please unmute. Mahim, Ram. Mahim Mooladhare.
Mahim Mooladhare. Mahim Mooladhare.
Kamapi Manipure Hutavaham.
Kamapi Manipure Hutavaham. Kamapi Manipure Hutavaham.
Sthitam Swadhishthane.
Sthitam Swadhishthane. Sthitam Swadhishthane.
Hridi Marutamakashamupari.
Hridi Marutamakashamupari. Hridi Marutamakashamupari.
Manopi Bhrumadhye.
Manopi Bhrumadhye. Manopi Bhrumadhye.
Sakalamapi.
Sakalamapi. Sakalamapi.
Bhiktva Kulapatham.
Bhittva Kulapatham. Bhittva Kulapatham.
Sahasrare Padme.
Sahasrare Padme. Sahasrare Padme.
Saharahasi.
Saharahasi. Saharahasi.
Patya Viharase.
Patya Viharase. Patya Viharase.
Tamam. Here, Mahim Mooladhare. Dha is Mahaprana. Kamapi Manipure Hutavaham. Sthitam. First Tha is Mahaprana, second is Alpaprana. Sthitam Swadhishthane. Dha and Tha both are Mahapranas. Hridi Marutamakashamupari. I is a Hrasva, so please do not prolong it. Upari. Manopi. So here you see this S-like sign, those who are following in Devanagari. It refers to Purva Rupa Sandhi. Like I told you, Sandhi is a rule of combining letters in Sanskritam. So here, whenever you see this S-like symbol, it is called Avagraha Chinha. It refers to a Sandhi. When you split, it becomes Mano plus Api. So instead of the you get that sign. You will come across this in many words, but we do not pronounce the sign. There is no pronunciation for the sign as such, but it has to be denoted while writing or in a text to denote the Sandhi. So we read it as Manopi. Bhrumadhye. Bha and Dha Mahapranas. Sakalamapi. Bhittva. Bha is Mahaprana. Kulapatham. Tha is Mahaprana. Sahasrare Padme. Saharahasi. Patya Viharase. We will do this again. Mahim Mooladhare. Kamapi Manipure Hutavaham.
Mahim Mooladhare. Kamapi Manipure Hutavaham. Mahim Mooladhare. Kamapi Manipure Hutavaham.
Sthitam Swadhishthane. Hridi Marutamakashamupari.
Sthitam Swadhishthane. Hridi Marutamakashamupari. Sthitam Swadhishthane. हृदि मरुतमाकाशमुपरि
मनोऽपि भ्रूमध्ये सकलमपि भित्त्वा कुलपथम्
मनोऽपि भ्रूमध्ये सकलमपि भित्त्वा कुलपथम् मनोऽपि भ्रूमध्ये सकलमपि भित्त्वा कुलपथम्
सहस्रारे पद्मे सहरहसि पत्या विहरसे
सहस्रारे पद्मे सहरहसि पत्या विहरसे सहस्रारे पद्मे सहरहसि पत्या विहरसे.
Here please note manopi bhru madhye dvitvam double sound. Manopi bhru madhye second bh is heard there, so that we have to be clear while chanting. Now we will do half a verse. Mahim mooladhare kamapi manipure hutavaham sthitam swadhishthane हृदि मरुतमाकाशमुपरि
महिं मूलाधारे कमपि मणिपूरे हुतवहं स्थितं स्वाधिष्ठाने हृदि मरुतमाकाशमुपरि महिं मूलाधारे कमपि मणिपूरे हुतवहं स्थितं स्वाधिष्ठाने हृदि मरुतमाकाशमुपरि
मनोऽपि भ्रूमध्ये सकलमपि भित्त्वा कुलपथं सहस्रारे पद्मे सहरहसि पत्या विहरसे
मनोऽपि भ्रूमध्ये सकलमपि भित्त्वा कुलपथं सहस्रारे पद्मे सहरहसि पत्या विहरसे मनोऽपि भ्रूमध्ये सकलमपि भित्त्वा कुलपथं सहस्रारे पद्मे सहरहसि पत्या विहरसे.
Now the entire verse, once by Prithvi and once by Vihan. Mahim mooladhare kamapi manipure hutavaham sthitam swadhishthane hृदि मरुतमाकाशमुपरि मनोऽपि भ्रूमध्ये सकलमपि भित्त्वा कुलपथं सहस्रारे पद्मे सहरहसि पत्या विहरसे
महिं मूलाधारे कमपि मणिपूरे हुतवहं स्थितं स्वाधिष्ठाने हृदि मरुतमाकाशमुपरि मनोऽपि भ्रूमध्ये सकलमपि भित्त्वा कुलपथं सहस्रारे पद्मे सहरहसि पत्या विहरसे.
उत्तमं पृथ्वी, धन्यवादाः. Vihan, slowly the entire verse.
महिं मूलाधारे कमपि मणिपूरे हुतवहं स्थितं स्वाधिष्ठाने हृदि मरुतमाकाशमुपरि मनोऽपि भ्रूमध्ये सकलमपि भित्त्वा कुलपथं सहस्रारे पद्मे सहरहसि पत्या विहरसे.
Uttamam, Vihan. Before we move to the next verse, we'll just quickly answer the two questions I have received. Where do we take a pause in a line? So here, just to make it easy for you, we have given you some gap, if you notice, both in IAST and in Devanagari. So you have a gap here. So this is to make it easier for you to understand where to pause. So this gap is not really required. In many publications, you may not see it, and some you will see it. This is to aid first-time learners to know where to stop. And like I have been saying, it's not mandatory that you need to stop here. So you can also chant at a stretch. Mahim Mooladhare Kamapi Manipure Hutavaham. You can chant without pausing. But like I always say, if you choose to pause, then if there is a sandhi, you will have to split the sandhi. Of course, in this verse, it doesn't make a difference because there is no sandhi karya happening here after between the two words here where you see the space. But in many verses, sometimes there will be a sandhi. So if you choose to split, then you have to pause. And if you choose to chant continuously, then you should combine the sandhi and chant it. Okay, so that it will be grammatically perfect and consistent. So I hope that is clear. Next question. Some of you say you're not able to view the Saundarya Lahari script. I think everyone else is able to view the screen. So please check settings on your end, because I am sharing the screen, and I hope you're able to see the screen. Prithvi, are you able to see the screen?
Yes, Akka, it's visible.
Okay, so I think you have to check, something must be wrong in your system. So please look at that. Audio of the verses is actually posted. Audio of the entire class is posted on the course page. I will tell you exactly how to access this, access the audio and other lessons after we learn today's shlokas. But just the shlokas audio we will post. We might take some time, but we will post. But you will get the entire audio of the class recorded. Okay, so let us move to the next one. Shivani, 10th verse. Sudhadhara saraihi.
Sudhadhara saraihi. Sudhadhara saraihi.
Charanayugalantarvigalitaihi.
Charanayugalantarvigalitaihi. Charanayugalantarvigalitaihi.
Prapancham sinchanti.
Prapancham sinchanti. Prapancham sinchanti.
Punarapi.
Punarapi. Punarapi.
Rasamnaya mahasaha.
Rasamnaya mahasaha. Rasamnaya mahasaha.
Avapya swam bhumim.
Avapya swam bhumim. Avapya swam bhumim.
Bhujaganibhamadhyuštavalayam.
Bhujaganibhamadhyuštavalayam. Bhujaganibhamadhyuštavalayam.
Svamatmanam kritva.
Svamatmanam kritva. Svamatmanam kritva.
Svapishi.
Svapishi. Svapishi.
Kulakunde.
Kulakunde. कुलकुण्डे
कुहरिणी
कुहरिणी कुहरिणी
okay सुधाधारा सारैः धा धा महाप्राण चरण चरण न here चरण युगलांतर विगलितैः प्रपंचम सिंचन्ति दीर्घ पुनरपि रसाम्नाय महसः अवाप्य स्वाम द्वित्वम here अवाप्य स्वाम भूमिम भ is महाप्राणा भुजग भू महाप्राणा निभ भ महाप्राणा भुजग निभ मध्युष्ट ध महाप्राणा स्वमात्मानं कृत्वा so anuswara followed by ka optionally you can chant it as swamatmanam kritva or if you choose to you could also chant the anuswara completely as swamatmanam kritva swapishi kulakunde kuharini this is na and here it is a hrasva short letter so please do not prolong that सुधाधारा सारैः चरण युगलांतर विगलितैः
सुधाधारा सारैः चरणयुगलान्तर्विगलितैः सुधाधारा सारैः चरणयुगलान्तर्विगलितैः
प्रपंचम सिंचन्ति पुनरपि रसाम्नाय महसः
प्रपंचम सिंचन्ति पुनरपि रसाम्नाय महसः प्रपंचम सिंचन्ति पुनरपि रसाम्नाय महसः
अवाप्य स्वां भूमिं भुजगनिभमध्युष्टवलयम्
अवाप्य स्वां भूमिं भुजगनिभमध्युष्टवलयम् अवाप्य स्वां भूमिं भुजगनिभमध्युष्टवलयम्
स्वामात्मानं कृत्वा स्वपिशिकुलकुण्डे कुहरिणि
स्वमात्मानं कृत्वा स्वपिशिकुलकुण्डे कुहरिणि स्वमात्मानं कृत्वा स्वपिशिकुलकुण्डे कुहरिणि
Uttamam. Now 2 lines at a time. Sudhadhara saraihi charana yugalantar vigalitaihi prapancham sinchanti punarapi rasamnaya mahasaha
सुधाधारा सारैः चरणयुगलान्तर्विगलितैः प्रपञ्चं सिञ्चन्ति पुनरपि रसाम्नाय महसः सुधाधारा सारैः चरणयुगलान्तर्विगलितैः प्रपञ्चं सिञ्चन्ति पुनरपि रसाम्नाय महसः
अवाप्य स्वां भूमिं भुजगनिभमध्युष्टवलयम् स्वामात्मानं कृत्वा स्वपिशिकुलकुण्डे कुहरिणि
अवाप्य स्वां भूमिं भुजगनिभमध्युष्टवलयम् स्वमात्मानं कृत्वा स्वपिशिकुलकुण्डे कुहरिणि अवाप्य स्वां भूमिं भुजगनिभमध्युष्टवलयम् स्वमात्मानं कृत्वा स्वपिशिकुलकुण्डे कुहरिणि.
Tamam. Now the entire verse once by Shivani, followed by Charu once. Sudhadhara saraihi charanayugalantarbigalitaihi prapancham sinchanti punarapi rasam nayamahasaha अवाप्यस्वां भूमिं भुजगनिभमध्युष्टवलयं स्वमात्मानं कृत्वा स्वपिशिकुलकुण्डे कुहरिणि.
सुधाधारा सारैः चरणयुगलान्तर्विगलितैः प्रपञ्चं सिञ्चन्ति पुनरपि रसाम्नायमहसः अवाप्य स्वां भूमिं भुजगनिभमध्युष्टवलयम् स्वमात्मानं कृत्वा स्वपिशिकुलकुण्डे कुहरिणि.
सुधाधारा सारैः चरणयुगलान्तर्विगलितैः प्रपञ्चं सिञ्चन्ति पुनरपि रसाम्नायमहसः भूमिं भुजगनिभमध्युष्टवलयं स्वमात्मानं कृत्वा स्वपिशिकुलकुण्डे कुहरिणि.
Uttamam. Before we move to the next verse, there's a question whether the pause is always at the sixth letter and every line is a combination of 6 plus 11. For this particular chandas, yes, as in every chandas, that is in every meter, where you pause will be different depending on the number of letters, etc. So this chandas, like I said in the previous class, its name is Shikharini. The meter is called Shikharini in Sanskritam. All the 100 verses are in the same meter. So where you pause would be after 6 letters only if the pause is possible. Like for example, there are some lines where the pause is not possible because it is between a word. So if that is the case, then you cannot pause. So wherever the pause is possible, there, yes, after 6 letters. But there are many cases where we cannot pause. So in which case the entire pada should be chanted at a time. And one more question is, yes, there are 4 padas, that is 4 quarters. Each line here is a pada or a quarter. And if you want to chant continuously, then you chant the entire quarter, one pada together. But after the pada, you could pause. After one line, you could pause. Sometimes it is possible to combine both lines and chant also. So it's a function of many things, and very importantly, a function of your capacity, your lung capacity, and whether you're able to hold your breath. So some lines, it might be easier to hold, especially when there are no mahapranas. Some lines where there are more mahapranas, you can experiment and see. You will be requiring more breath, though the line has exactly the same number of letters as other lines. The more mahapranas you have, more breath you'll need. So therefore, it's an option. So like I always say, please practice chanting aloud. So abhyasa every day. Please chant aloud. You will experience a lot of benefits, physical, mental, spiritual, of course. So make it a point to start chanting aloud. And many have shared by their experience that initially they found it difficult, but they were able to chant 1 line, 2 lines at a stretch. And also their voice improved, and a lot of benefits they have shared with us. So please start chanting aloud every day. Now we will move to the next verse. Prithvi. चतुर्भिः श्रीकण्ठैः
चतुर्भिः श्रीकण्ठैः चतुर्भिः श्रीकण्ठैः
शिवयुवतिभिः पञ्चभिरपि
शिवयुवतिभिः पञ्चभिरपि शिवयुवतिभिः पञ्चभिरपि
प्रभिन्नाभिः शम्भोः
प्रभिन्नाभिः शम्भोः प्रभिन्नाभिः शम्भोः
नवभिरपि
नवभिरपि नवभिरपि
मूलप्रकृतिभिः
मूलप्रकृतिभिः मूलप्रकृतिभिः
चतुश्चत्वारिंशत्
चतुश्चत्वारिंशत् चतुश्चत्वारिंशत्
वसुदल
वसुदल वसुदल
कलाश्रत्रिवलयत्
कलाश्रत्रिवलयत् कलाश्रत्रिवलयत्
त्रिरेखाभिः सार्धम्
त्रिरेखाभिः सार्धम् त्रिरेखाभिः सार्धम्
तव शरणकोणाः परिणताः
तव शरणकोणाः परिणताः तव शरणकोणाः परिणताः.
Uttamam. This is a very important verse, a beautiful one. It is describing the Shri Chakram or the Shri Yantram, like you all know. Our Guru Mata always says how each shloka of Saundarya Lahari is a mantra. It has that power of a mantra. So we have to be very clear in our pronunciation and do it with a lot of Shraddha and Bhakti. So please note there are multiple Mahapranas in this particular verse. And also there are a few other nuances of pronunciation which I'll point out. Chaturbhi Shri Kanthaihi. Bhi and Thai here, Tha are Mahapranas. Shiva Yuvati Bhi Panchabhirapi. Bhi and Bhi Mahapranas here. Here Visarga followed by Pa. You all will be familiar by now. Upadhmaniya. So Shiva Yuvati Bhi Panchabhirapi. P. Short letter, Hrasva, so please do not prolong. Next, Prabhinnabhishambhoho. Bha, 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 please note. Prabhinnabhishambhoho. Navabhirapi. Bhi is Mahaprana. Moola prakriti-bhihi. Dvitvam here. Moola prakriti-bhihi. You're getting two pers. And bha, prakriti-bhihi is Mahaprana. And this next line actually till Trirekabhisardham, if you can chant it in one breath, the entire 1.5 line. Actually, even the next whole line, both the lines you can chant it together. But for your convenience, for now, we have paused here. Chatushchatvarimshat Vasudala Kalashrat Trivalayat Trirekabhisardham. So from Vasudala till Sardham, we are not supposed to pause. It is one word. So that is why you see a hyphen here. Whenever you see a hyphen like this after a pada, it means that both these padas have to be chanted together. It's a samastha padam or a compound word. We cannot pause there. I taught splitting the words just to make you familiar with the words. But from next time, we will chant together. Vasudala Kalashrat Trivalaya. Please note the Dvitvam. Vasudala Kalashratri. That T, you're hearing a double sound. So Dvitvam. Vasudala Kalashrat Trivalaya. Again Dvitvam here. Trivalaya Trirekabhisardham. So before the T, before Trirekabhihi, before this T, again Dvitvam. So वसुदल कलाश्रत्रिवलयत्रिरेखाभिः सार्धं भ and dha mahapranas. Tava sharanakonaha visarga followed by pa upadhmaniya. Tava sharanakonah parinataha. You could combine both these two lines and chant it as चतुश्चत्वारिंशत् वसुदलकलाश्रत्रिवलयत्रिरेखाभिः तव शरणकोणाः परिणताः. If you are able to hold your breath and do justice to each letter and Mahaprana, you could try that. And Saundarya Lahari, we have many such compound words, Mahapranas, words which require more practice for pronunciation. So it will sharpen the tongue and the brain, of course. What I would suggest is keep listening continuously. You could, please, all of you, I'm hoping you're repeating along with the panelists. So you can go back to the YouTube recordings and listen and start every day or whenever possible. Keep repeating and keep listening. We will also give you the audio of verses continuously in a while. That might take time, but we will provide it to you subsequently. For now, you could just listen to the YouTube recordings of class and keep repeating the verses so that you will become familiar and it will be easy for you to learn these words. Okay, so we will repeat now. Prithvi Chaturbhi Shri Kanthaihi Shiva Yuvatibhi Panchabhirapi.
Chaturbhi Shri Kanthaihi शिवयुवतिभिः पञ्चभिरपि चतुर्भिः श्रीकण्ठैः शिवयुवतिभिः पञ्चभिरपि
प्रभिन्नाभिः शम्भोः नवभिरपि मूलप्रकृतिभिः
प्रभिन्नाभिः शम्भोः नवभिरपि प्रकृतिभिः प्रभिन्नाभिः शम्भोः नवभिरपि मूलप्रकृतिभिः
चतुश्चत्वारिंशत् वसुदलकलाश्रत्रिवलयत्रिरेखाभिः सार्धम्
चतुश्चत्वारिंशत् वसुदलकलाश्रत्रिवलयत्रिरेखाभिः सार्धम् चतुश्चत्वारिंशत् वसुदलकलाश्रत्रिवलयत्रिरेखाभिः सार्धम्
तव शरणकोणाः परिणताः
तव शरणकोणाः परिणताः तव शरणकोणाः परिणताः.
Uttamam. Now we will do half a verse at a time. Chaturbhi Shri Kanthaihi Shiva Yuvatibhi Panchabhirapi Prabhinnabhi Shambhoho Navabhirapi Mula Prakritibihi.
चतुर्भिः श्रीकण्ठैः शिवयुवतिभिः पञ्चभिरपि प्रभिन्नाभिः शम्भोः नवभिरपि मूलप्रकृतिभिः चतुर्भिः श्रीकण्ठैः शिवयुवतिभिः पञ्चभिरपि प्रभिन्नाभिः शम्भोः नवभिरपि मूलप्रकृतिभिः
चतुश्चत्वारिंशत् वसुदलकलाश्रत्रिवलयत्रिरेखाभिः सार्धम् तव शरणकोणाः परिणताः.
चतुश्चत्वारिंशत् वसुदलकलाश्रत्रिवलयत्रिरेखाभिः सार्धम् तव शरणकोणाः परिणताः. चतुश्चत्वारिंशत् वसुदलकलाश्रत्रिवलयत्रिरेखाभिः सार्धं तव शरणकोणाः परिणताः.
Now the entire verse, once by Prithvi, followed by Shivani once. चतुर्भिः श्रीकण्ठैः शिवयुवतिभिः पञ्चभिरपि प्रभिन्नाभिः शम्भोः नवभिरपि मूलप्रकृतिभिः चतुश्चत्वारिंशत् वसुदलकलाश्रत्रिवलयत्रिरेखाभिः सार्धम् तव शरणकोणाः परिणताः.
चतुर्भिः श्रीकण्ठैः शिवयुवतिभिः पञ्चभिरपि प्रभिन्नाभिः शम्भोः नवभिरपि मूलप्रकृतिभिः चतुश्चत्वारिंशत् वसुदलकलाश्रत्रिवलयत्रिरेखाभिः सार्धम् तव शरणकोणाः परिणताः.
Shivani.
चतुर्भिः श्रीकण्ठैः शिवयुवतिभिः पञ्चभिरपि प्रभिन्नाभिः शम्भोः नवभिरपि मूलप्रकृतिभिः चतुश्चत्वारिंशत् वसुदलकलाश्रत्रिवलयत्रिरेखाभिः सार्धम् तव शरणकोणाः परिणताः.
One more thing to note here, all of you. Please note here Shri, the pronunciation, Shiva, Sha, and Shambhoho, Sha again. Chatushchatvarimshat. This is the same Sha as Shri, Shiva. Sometimes there is a tendency to chant it as Chatus. That's not right. Chatushchatvarimshat. It is the same Sha like you see in Shambhoho, Shri Kantaihi, Shiva, same Sha. Similarly here, Vasudala Kalashra. It's not Sra, it is Shra. Kalashra Trivalayat Trirekha Bhisardham. Here it is Sa. Tava Sharana. Sha. Our patha, that is what we have been taught by our gurus, is Tava Sharana Konaha. I understand that some books have Charana. I will just check if that is also permissible, but what we follow is Tava Sharana Kona Parinataha. So that is what we have been following consistently. This difference, I will check. Sometimes there are different versions. I will check and revert to you on that. Now we will move to the next verse. Okay. Vihan?
Ram 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 Ram.
Ram Ram. Vihan, request you to chant slowly. Okay, same pace and same pitch also. Okay, so that will be easier for everyone to follow. Thanks, Vihan.
Okay.
Tvadiyam Saundaryam.
Tvadiyam Saundaryam. Tvadiyam Saundaryam.
Tuhinagiri Kanye.
Tuhinagiri Kanye. Tuhinagiri Kanye.
Tulayitum.
Tulayitum. Tulayitum.
Kavindra Kalpante.
Kavindra Kalpante. Kavindra Kalpante.
Kathamapi virinchi prabhritayah.
Kathamapi virinchi prabhritayah. Kathamapi virinchi prabhritayah.
Yada lokautsukhyat.
यदा लोकौत्सुक्यात् यदा लोकौत्सुक्यात्
अमरललना यान्ति मनसा
अमरललना यान्ति मनसा अमरललना यान्ति मनसा
तपोभिर्दुष्प्रापाम् not tato tapo tapoभिर्दुष्प्रापाम्
तपोभिर्दुष्प्रापाम्
अपि गिरिशसायुज्य पदवीम्
अपि गिरिशसायुज्य पदवीम् अपि गिरिशसायुज्य पदवीम्.
Okay, so this verse tvadiyam saundaryam tuhinagirikanye tulayitum kavindraha kalpante visarga followed by ka, so jishwamuliya it becomes kavindraha kalpante. Kathamapi, tha is mahaprana, virinchip prabhritayah dvitvam, please note the dvitvam here, virinchip prabhritayah bhr, note the pronunciation, mahaprana prabhritayah yada lokautsukhyat amaralalana yanti manasa. If you want to combine the sandhi here, it would be yada lokautsukhyad amaralalana. So t plus a becomes da. So those who are not familiar, please do not get confused. You could chant it as it is given to you. If you want to combine, it would be yada lokautsukhyad amaralalana yanti manasa tapobhirdushprapam, bha is mahaprana, tapobhirdushprapam api girisha sayujya padavim. This also optionally you could combine without pausing and chant it as tapobhirdushprapam api girisha sayujya padavim. So by the time you finish learning all the 100 verses, you will more or less be familiar with all these rules of combining, etc. Okay, so let us learn one pada, that is one quarter at a time. Vihan. Tvadiyam saundaryam tuhinagiri kanye tulayitum.
Tvadiyam saundaryam tuhinagirikanye tulayitum. Tvadiyam saundaryam tuhinagirikanye tulayitum.
Kavindrah kalpante kathamapi virinchip prabhritayah.
Kavindrah kalpante kathamapi virinchip prabhritayah. Kavindrah kalpante kathamapi virinchip prabhritayah.
Yada lokautsukhyat amaralalana yanti manasa.
Yada lokautsukhyat amaralalana yanti manasa. Yada lokautsukhyat amaralalana yanti manasa.
Tapobhirdushprapam api girisha sayujya padavim.
Tapobhirdushprapam api girisha sayujya padavim. Tapobhirdushprapam api girisha sayujya padavim.
Now half a verse at a time. Tvadiyam saundaryam tuhinagiri kanye tulayitum kavindrah kalpante kathamapi virinchip प्रभृतयः
त्वदीयं सौन्दर्यं तुहिनगिरिकन्ये तुलयितुं कवीन्द्राः कल्पन्ते कथमपि विरिञ्चि प्रभृतयः त्वदीयं सौन्दर्यं तुहिनगिरिकन्ये तुलयितुं कवीन्द्राः कल्पन्ते कथमपि विरिञ्चिः प्रभृतयः
यदालोकौत्सुक्यात् अमरललनायान्ति मनसा तपोभिर्दुष्प्रापाम् अपि गिरिशसायुज्य पदवीम्
यदालोकौत्सुक्यात् अमरललनायान्ति मनसा तपोभिर्दुष्प्रापाम् अपि गिरिशसायुज्य पदवीम् यदालोकौत्सुक्यात् अमरललनायान्ति मनसा तपोभिर्दुष्प्रापाम् अपि गिरिशसायुज्य पदवीम्.
Uttamam Bihan. Now the entire verse once by Bihan and once by Charu. Slowly, both of you. Tvadiyam saundaryam tuhinagirikanye tulayitum kavindrah kalpante kathamapi virinchi prabhritayah yadalokautsukyat अमरललनायान्ति मनसा तपोभिर्दुष्प्रापाम् अपि गिरिशसायुज्य पदवीम्.
त्वदीयं सौन्दर्यं तुहिनगिरिकन्ये तुलयितुं कवीन्द्राः कल्पन्ते कथमपि विरिञ्चि प्रभृतयः यदालोकौत्सुक्यात् अमरललनायान्ति मनसा तपोभिर्दुष्प्रापाम् अपि गिरिशसायुज्य पदवीम्.
उत्तमं विहान. धन्यवादाः. इदानीं चारु.
त्वदीयं सौन्दर्यं तुहिनगिरिकन्ये तुलयितुं कवीन्द्राः कल्पन्ते कथमपि विरिञ्चि प्रभृतयः यदालोकौत्सुक्यात् अमरललनायान्ति मनसा तपोभिर्दुष्प्रापाम् अपि गिरिशसायुज्य पदवीम्.
Uttamam Charu. Dhanyavadaha. So we will quickly recap the 4 verses we learned today. Mahim Mooladhare Kamapi Manipure Hutavaham Sthitam Swadhishthane Hridi Marutamakashamupari Manopi Bhrumadhye Sakalamapi Bhitva Kulapatham Sahasrare Padme Saharahasi Patya Viharase Sudhadhara Saraihi Charanayugalantarvigalitaihi Prapancham Sinchanti Punarapi Rasamnaya Mahasaha Avapya Swam Bhumim Bhujaganibhamadhyushtavalayam Swamatmanam Kritva Swapishikula Kunde Kuharini Chaturbhishri Kanthaihi Shiva Yuvatibhi Panchabhirapi Prabhinnabhish शम्भोः नवभिरपि मूलप्रकृतिभिः चतुश्चत्वारिंशत् वसुदलकलाश्रत्रिवलयत्रिरेखाभिः सार्धम् तव शरणकोणाः परिणताः त्वदीयं सौन्दर्यं तुहिनगिरिकन्ये तुलयितुं कवीन्द्राः कल्पन्ते कथमपि विरिञ्चि प्रभृतयः यदालोकौत्सुक्यात् अमरललनायान्ति मनसा तपोभिर्दुष्प्रापाम् अपि गिरिशसायुज्य पदवीम्. So these are the 4 verses for today. I will quickly go through the questions. What is the Chandas of Saundarya Lahari? Already answered. It is in Shikharini Chandas. When you ask me about any specific word, it will be better if you specify the shloka and the line number. Prapancham sinchanti. It is not prapanchan. It is prapancham sinchanti. The anuswara is chanted completely there. That anuswara rule where you can combine the anuswara with the next letter, it applies in a very few cases. For example, when anuswara is followed by a vargiya vyanjanam, like I said, for that you need to be familiar with the rules of sandhi. So wherever it is applicable, I will tell you. Sudhadhara saraihi charana. So if you want to combine, it would be Sudhadhara sarair charana yugalantar bigalitaihi. So visarga sandhi there. Prapancham. I don't really understand. The way it is written on the screen is the correct way it is written, both in IAST and diacritics. Jagdish Mahodaya, if the doubt is not clear, please you can email me. The way it is written in Devanagari and IAST, that is how it is written. Why it is written in IAST like that? Because this IAST is an internationally recognized standard form of representing alphabets of the alphabet of a different language. So there are certain rules to be followed. It is a standard form. So wherever you go in IAST, that is the representation. Because here we are trying to represent Devanagari, a different language, Sanskritam, in English script. So there are bound to be discrepancies. Therefore, this IAST has certain rules, and that is how it is. We follow those rules while representing. Repeat the chandas. It is Shikharini Chandas. Yeah, when we complete 20 shlokas, I will chant 20 at a stretch. So then I will repeat it. Trirekhabhisardham. Yes, Tava Sharana Konaf Parinataha. Kha is Mahaprana there. Yes, sorry, I haven't highlighted it there. I will do it. When we post the slides, I will do it. Trirekhabhisardham. This Kha is also Mahaprana. Yes, thanks for pointing it out. I've highlighted in IAST, but I've inadvertently missed out in the Sanskritam. Kha is also Mahaprana. Yes, Trirekhabhisardham. In Saundarya Lahari, should Sau be elaborated? Yes, like we learnt in the very first class of Varnamala, A, I, O and Au are always Dirgha, that is long letters in Sanskritam. So it is Saundarya Lahari, not Saundarya. Saundarya Lahari. Okay, Au there is a Dirgha. How to differentiate the two Shas? Again, we have referred, see all these rules of pronunciation we have dealt with in detail in the first class. So I know many of you are joining newly, no problem at all. Even others, if they want, they can join. What you have to do is just go back to the recordings. So how do you go there? 2 ways. One is just by YouTube, you will find all the recordings there. So the other, you can search Vyoma, Saundarya Lahari, Brinda, you will find. Otherwise, one more way is all of you please log into your student account on sanskritfromhome.org. So you have to log in to your student account. Then you will have one place which says My Courses. So there, click on Soundarya Lahari, and on the left-hand column, you will get the lessons. So class 1, they would have posted, and I checked today, they are all updated. So the PPT is posted, that is the shlokas. Then the YouTube link is given. Then just the audio is also posted. So you'll all be able to access through the portal. Okay, and if you want the YouTube playlist, I will check if a playlist has been created and share the link with you all. Pushpam and Shiva, coming to that question. Pushpam is sh, like Shanmukhaha, Shivaha. You twist your tongue more. Not Shivaha, sorry, Shanmukhaha, Shat, Shadananaha. So you twist your tongue more. Whereas Shivaha, Shankaraha, Ishvaraha, Shubham, Shri, in these, you don't twist your tongue as much. So that is Sh, Shambhuhu. Whereas Pushpam, Shanmukhaha, Sh. So again, please listen to the first class recording. We have dealt with this in detail. And this is, I think, in 12th shloka, you asked me for this. So 12th shloka. Tapobhir dushprapam. Dushprapam. Sh. Again, like Shanmukhaha, that sh. Tapobhir dushprapam. Api girisha. There it is Shivasha. Girisha sayujya padavim. So that is how we differentiate between the two. Yes, full Soundarya Lahari is in the same chandas, Shikharini chandas. Avapya swam bhumim. In verse 10, after avapya, you have avapya swam bhumim. Here, between avapya and swam, the sa is doubling. So that is dvitvam. Avapya swam bhumim. So that is how the dvitvam comes there. Opportunity to chant, we will have revision classes. So maybe after we learn 20, we will have a detailed revision class where the entire class or maybe 1 or 2 classes completely will be only for individual chanting without any new verses. So then you will all have more time to chant. Singing the verses in different ragas, we are not going to do this in this class, but if any of you wants to, you can please feel free to do it. But only thing is, please do not mess up the sandhi splitting, the words. Sometimes we see that when a raga is used, the hrasva becomes dirgha, like the short letters are prolonged, and the splitting is not exactly accurate. So all that should be avoided. As long as the rules are followed, of pronunciation are followed correctly, you can sing in any raga. Memorization assessment, we will come to that later, Mahodaya. Let us focus on learning. 2 parts, I will find out from Vyoma management also if we can split it into 2 parts, but we haven't yet decided on the assessment yet. But all of you, please start preparing. There will be an assessment in the end. Like we always say, it is not really to test, or it's not like an examination. It's more to have a time-bound target for our sadhana and to do our consistent abhyasa. And with the spirit of offering, samarpanam, we will have the assessment. Avapya swam bhumim bhujaganibhamadhyushtavallayam Swamatmanam kritva swapishikula kunde kuharini. That is how it is chanted. Avapya swam bhumim, it should be chanted completely. You can't make it bhumin there. Bhumim should be chanted completely. Okay, raga name which we are using, we are not following any raga as such, what we are chanting now of Carnatic music. It is just a very simple tune for learning shlokas. Okay. I think most of the questions are answered. YouTube playlist, someone has posted. Thank you very much. One of you has shared the playlist here. Prithvi, thank you. Dhanyavadaha, Prithvi. So all of you, please see your chat. Prithvi has shared the playlist with everyone, so you could access it. No, there is the assessment is not compulsory, but like I said, it is just for us to have a time-bound target. Okay, so we will meet next class at the same time. Any other questions, you can send me an email, and we will conclude as usual with Shanti Mantraha. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramayaha, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschid dukkha bhag bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Dhanyavadaha. Please continue your practice and do access the recordings on YouTube and on the course page. Anyone else, your friends, relatives, they want to join, absolutely welcome. Some of you have asked if it's okay to join. It's fine, anytime. You always have the recordings. And like I keep saying, the rules of pronunciation, as you go on attending, you will get more familiar. So even the old verses, you will be able to learn, the ones in case you've missed. Dhanyavadaha. Punarvilamaha. We will meet next Sunday at the same time, 5 p.m. IST. Thank you to you all and to all the panelists for efficiently assisting with the Anucharanam. Dhanyavadaha. Ram Ram Ram.